reconstruction of I-475 from Flint River north to Carpenter Road. We've reconstructed and rehabilitated 19 bridges and 2.5 miles of roadway.
I was really proud to stand just a few miles from here last spring for the groundbreaking of this I-475 rebuild, and to be here just a little over a year and a half later. It speaks to Michigan's commitment to making sure that our roads are safe, to making sure that they are the highest quality in the region.
We've been able to go through and kind of revitalize this section of highway. Additionally, we've been able to right-size our assets. So we've had a lot of redundant structures that we were able to reduce. That also helps MDOT for future maintenance, so we can focus our funds on other areas.
When we fix a freeway, when we repair a road, we make the community safer. We enable more economic possibility, activity, and opportunity. Michigan is going to continue to move and drive forward. And this project represents that here in mid-Michigan. We're doing these kinds of celebrations all across the state of Michigan, and we're going to have more to come year after year, construction season after construction season. I'm proud of Michigan today. I'm proud of our workers. I'm proud of this team, and I'm excited about the future.